Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In this lesson, we're going to look at 10 warm-up phrases you can use before giving directions. So instead of jumping straight into kumaliwa ka or kumanan ka o dumiretso ka, these warm-up phrases let you ease into the task and set the context first. So, in this lesson, I'll share 10 casual everyday lines you can say before giving the actual directions. Handa ka na ba? Magsimula na po tayo. Bigyan mo ako ng direksyon mula sa bahay mo hanggang sa trabaho mo. Madali lang ang direksyon mula sa bahay ko papunta sa trabaho. The directions from my house to my workplace are easy. Simple lang ang ruta ko araw-araw, kaya mabilis ko itong maipapaliwanag. My daily route is simple so I can explain it quickly. Hindi komplikado ang biyahe ko. Ilang liko lang at nasa trabaho na ako. My commute isn't complicated, just a few turns and I'm already at work. May malinaw na mga palatandaan sa daan, kaya madaling sundan ang direksyon ko. There are clear landmarks along the way, so my directions are easy to follow. Mabilis lang ang biyahe ko, kaya kaya kong ibigay ang hakbang-hakbang na rota. My commute is quick, so I can give the step-by-step route easily. Araw-araw kong dinadaanan ang rutang ito, kaya kabisado ko na ang bawat liko. I take this route every day, so I know every turn by heart. Diretsyo lang ang ruta ko, kaya hindi ka mahihirapang sundan ang direksyon. My route is straightforward, so you won't have a hard time following the directions. May ilang mahalagang palatandaan sa daan, kaya madali ko maipapakita ang ruta. There are a few important landmarks along the way so I can show you the route easily. Hindi mahaba ang biyahe ko, kaya mabilis ko itong maipapaliwanag ng malinaw. My commute isn't long so I can explain it clearly and quickly. Malapit lang ang bahay ko sa trabaho, kaya madali lang ang direksyon papunta roon. My house is close to my workplace, so the directions going there are easy. Now, you can use these few warm-up introduction lines before you give your step-by-step directions. Through these warm-up lines, you show that you are not just answering. You can also give clear introduction before going into details. These phrases will help you show that you are organized and confident before giving the actual directions, and it will help you show the examiner that you can set context before giving step by step directions. And that's it for today. I hope these warm up phrases help you feel more confident and natural when giving directions during your OPI. O sige, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam!